Okay, so what I have discovered is that if you change the frequencies being played to the water, it's a lot stronger than just one sound. I still don't know enough to tell you more than my observations, but when I had the sound of the sun and I was feeling it, I could feel it and it was pretty strong. But when the sound changes, you can feel the change. And I have my hand over here for one full cycle of all the tones that are being played, which are the sounds of the chakra. And my hand was tingling for like 5 minutes later. It is way stronger by going through the sounds of the chakras than just leaving it on one tone. I was tipped off to this idea by this link, which was given to me by another individual. When you change the sounds going through the water, it changes the energy and it's way stronger. Now, I suspect that, this is my speculation, I suspect that the convergence of two different sounds is the strongest. And that's just off my feeling observations. So with mobile rain pipes, play with more than one sound, and I really do suspect that the convergence of two different frequencies is a lot stronger than stopping one frequency, going into silence, and then starting another one. So I don't know if I don't know. Play with it. Okay, so I've been playing with the mobile rain pipes for a while. I've been doing a couple different sounds, one of a constant tone, one of the changing tones going through the chakra frequencies. I remember some information that was given to me about a study on structuring water, and of all the experiments they had, they said that the best structured water, I don't know how they identified it, but the best structured water was water that was stirred by a 5-year-old child's hand while she was singing her favorite song. So, I've been playing with frequencies and all kinds of other stuff. Who knows? Give it a shot. I just got a crazy idea. Again, there's a story of ancient Aborigines, and they would do a ceremonial rain dance around bamboo sticks that were shoved into the ground. Bamboo sticks are cylindrical cavities. So what I want to do is put this setup minus the sound, minus the water pump, in the middle of a drum circle and drum until it rains. Because the Indians, the Native American Indians, when they did rain dances, they danced until it rained. Okay, so I have not gotten the success with my mobile rain pipes as I got by using rain pipes in springs, in spring water, in a natural spring. The haze that typically covers Austin has not gone away since I started this experiment. 3 weeks, changed it up every time. One was the single solid tone, 2 was the transition through stones, and 3 was one of my favorite songs. And the fog over Austin has not disappeared. So I'm going to take those pipes, go to a spring, and put them in a spring. It just so happens that somebody with a spring on their property is giving me permission to do this on private property, so they won't get messed with. The problem I had, the first rain pipes was 1 week, 2 weeks. It was 2 weeks of 7 pipes. Or was it 3 weeks? It was like 2 or 3 weeks of 7 pipes in the spring water. The second experiment was 22 pipes in the same stream, but below a waterfall, small waterfall. It was not near as strong as putting it in the spring. So I am now taking my mobile rain pipes and putting them in a spring. It's kind of ironic that today, the day that is the last day that I can experiment with it, I heard on a radio show Ormus comes out of natural springs. Here's the link to that video. It's a really good video. So, Ormus in the water of mobile rain pipes. I wish I had the time to experiment, but I don't. The skies are hazy and I'm going to fix it. Okay. This is Orgonite Awesome. I love you.